Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can change the brightness on your Sandisk Clip Jam. So right now we're on the radio. Just hit this little back arrow here and we want to pull up this menu here. We can scroll left and right to go through the different options. We want to go to settings. So you can see settings there and hit the middle button. And now we're going to go to system settings, so hit the middle button. And if we go down to brightness by hitting this bottom button here and then hit the middle button, we can now adjust the brightness by going left and right. So we can go from 20% to 100%. So if you're having trouble seeing it, maybe up it to 100%. Or if it's late at night, you can lower it down to 20% if you don't want to hurt your eyes. And then we can just come out of that and it will stay then at 20%. But every time you turn this off and back on again, it will revert back to 60. So you're going to have to put it up to 100 or 20 again, or whatever your preference is every time you turn it on. Thanks for watching.